Today we're going to find the circumference of a circle. The perimeter is the distance around a shape with straight edges. The circumference is the distance around a circle. A few other important words. The diameter is the distance across the center of the circle. And radius is the distance halfway across a circle. And to help you remember that, C goes around the circle. Diameter, D is pretty tall. It's going to go all the way across. But R is a shorter letter, so it's only going halfway across. Now, previously, we had worked on discovering where pi comes from. And when we took all these measurements, we found that circumference divided by diameter was equal to pi. Okay, so we're going to rewrite that equation. So circumference divided by diameter is equal to pi. We're going to solve for x, but we're going to solve for c instead. So the inverse of this division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by that value of the diameter. When we do that, this is up in the numerator, and this one is down in the bottom, and that is worth 1. So let's say the diameter is 3. We would have 3/3, which is worth 1. And 1c would be just c. And then on this side, we're left with pi times diameter. Therefore, we get the equation circumference equals pi times diameter. So let's put this to work. Let's say we have this circle here. They give us the line all the way across, which is the diameter. So the diameter is 6. The radius is halfway across the circle. Half of 6 is 3. Then for the circumference, we're going to do pi times diameter. And we're going to use the number 3.14 for pi. So that's the rounded version. So in a calculator, don't use the pi button. Use 3.14. I'm going to take my calculator right now, and I'm going to do 3.14 times 6, because 6 is the diameter. And I get 18 8400ths. And technically, our units is centimeters. Oops. All right, let's try another. For this next one, they give us the line halfway across the circle. That is the radius. So our radius is 7. If it's 7 on this half, it's 7 on this half. So the distance all the way across, which is the diameter, is 14. So then circumference is pi times diameter. Pi is 3.14, and the diameter of this one is 14. So we're going to do 3.14 times 14. And that would be 43 9600ths millimeters. All right, let's try another. All right, so this one gives us the distance all the way across the circle, which is the diameter. So our diameter is 5. The radius is halfway across the circle. Half of 5. 2.5. And then for the circumference, which is the distance around the circle, we're going to do pi times diameter. So pi is 3.14, and diameter is 5. So I'm going to do pi times 5. 3.14 times 5. I get 15 7/10. Don't round your answers today. You're going to leave the entire decimal. It'll either be 1, 2, or 3 digits. All right, and the last one here, this one gives us the radius. Halfway across the circle is the radius. So then the distance all the way across would be 9 plus 9, which is 18. And then for the circumference, we're going to do 3.14 times 18, which is 2. Nope, that can't be right. Let me try again. Pi times 18. There we go. This answer looks better. 56 5200ths.